Hey, what's up guys, it's TechZoomer, talking to you here. And as you can probably see, there's the package on my table. And yes, it's the M2 Mac Mini. Yes, the cheapest Apple Mac ever, $499 that I paid for this Mac, it's now here. And I will review this Mac, compare it to my M1 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch, try to leave it for about 2 weeks, which is the time that I have with it. And so, I think I'm pretty much excited. But in today's video, it's just the beginning. In today's video, I'll only unbox and give you my first impressions on the M2 Mac Mini. On the upcoming following days, I will be having more in-depth videos, more comparisons, and more content for you guys. So, I hope you are excited. I hope you drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for all your support. This video is for you. So, no further ado, let's start this unboxing, shall we? So, let's start the unboxing. No time wasted. Let's pull this off. Gotta save all of these because I have to return this Mac Mini at the end. So this thing opens this side. And here it is, our Mac Mini. Let me just do this so I don't dox myself. Boom, the Mac Mini. The box. Let's pick up this box, send it away. And here we have the Mac Mini box. Very interesting. As you can see, the Mac Mini box is actually pretty big. I don't have anything here for a comparison size, but still, let's just unboxing. No plastic, nothing wrapping around, so this is good. Environmental. This box is tight. Okay, first and foremost, I have to take off the peel. Yep, 1, 2. I thought I was forgetting something. Okay, so now we can lift the box, and boom, here is our Mac Mini. Wow, M2, $500, such a bargain. I love this computer. A black pull tab, so you can remove these from the sides. It comes a Mac Mini, and it comes with papers and cables. The cable is black, color matching the Mac Mini, and you have papers which probably have Apple stickers if I'm not wrong. So Mac Mini instructions. Where are my stickers? Oh, so it's a big sticker. It's right here, and it's a huge sticker. White, black. Whoa, it's gray. It's pretty cool. It's a gray Apple sticker, and it's huge. Just like the Mac Mini. I'm kidding. But I need to take off this because I will need this. Put this on. Save all of this because I will have to return this Mac Mini. Pick up the box. And move it to the side. And just now put the Mac Mini down. And remove the plastic tabs. Plastic tab away, and here it is, the Mac Mini in all of its glory. I will not remove this side of the tabs, although I think I need to do it. Yeah, to access the ports. Yep, I need to do it. Yep, here are the ports. All of them, all of its glory. This, as I was telling you, it's an M2 Mac Mini, and so it only has the M2 chip, and it only has the basic ports that the older M1 Mac Mini had. So 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI, 1 Ethernet port. This is not 10 gigabit internet, it's only a 1 gigabit internet. You have 2 USB-A's, we have 1 headphone jack, and the power supply. And here is our power button. So I will connect this Mac Mini to my external display, and let's power it on, see how it goes. So, as you can probably see, I have my Mac Mini set up, and this is a beast, let me tell you. It opens all of these apps really fast, really bursty. My first impressions of this computer are really good. I really like this machine. It's extremely small, extremely compact. As you can see, it's tightly fit up right here. it probably has like 10 centimeters per 10 centimeters. It's very small, very compact. And if this computer can pack 80% of my power of my M1 Max 16-inch, I'm very, very happy. And one thing though, if this computer can edit all my videos, I start to question why did I waste my money on my 16-inch MacBook Pro. But still, it's not that talk. I will not think about what money did I waste. No, I will just think, is the M2 Mac Mini a good buy? And for my first impressions of this computer, I think it is. Just for the price, $500, and then the performance that I experienced while using this computer is insane. And do not forget, guys, this video was edited on the M2 Mac Mini. So let me see if it's a good experience or not. I will talk about that on my next video on the M2 Mac Mini. But still, the M2 Mac Mini, it really surprised me. Like, I can do a test right now without even cutting, nothing, just continue to talk. I will open all of the apps on my dock for you to see how fast it is. So, I just did it. You are probably asking yourselves right now why I'm not doing any type of benchmarks in this video. Well, that's pretty simple, because I want to save them all for my full review and comparisons against my other computers. So, if you want to miss any of those types of comparisons, benchmarks, do not forget to drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my other videos on the M2 Mac Mini. As you saw, that was really fast opening all of those apps. I'm really happy with this computer. It's truly amazing. The performance is really good. I will download Final Cut Pro here when I get home and I will start editing this video. So it can still launch today and you will probably be surprised, and me too, of what this computer can do. I'm really enjoying this machine. I hope this machine can show me and show you that you don't need to spend so much money, like waste so much money on very high-end computers like MacBooks or even Mac Studios, because an M2 device, which is really capable, can do it. And the Mac Mini, for only $500 student discount, can prove that, I'm sure. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the M2 Mac Mini. Did you enjoy the unboxing? Did you enjoy the M2 Mac Mini setup that I've set up? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and tell me, do you think that I will be able to stick with the M2 Mac Mini for this long? Of course, I think I will, but let me know in the comments down below what you think. This has been Tech Summer talking to you here. Bye-bye.